How do I get the full path of the current files directory? How do I get the current files directory path? I tried. But I want.
The special variable _file_ contains the path to the current file. From that we can get the directory using either pathlib or the os.path module. Python 3 for the directory of the script being run. For the current working directory. Python 2 and 3 for the directory of the script being run. If you mean the current working directory, note that before and after file is 2 underscores, not just 1. Also note that if you are running interactively or have loaded code from something other than a file, e.g., a database or online resource, _file_ may not be set since there is no notion of current file. The above answer assumes the most common scenario of running a Python script that is in a file. References: Pathlib in the Python documentation, os.path, Python 2.7, os.path, Python 3, os.getcode, Python 2.7, os.getcode, Python 3. What does the _file_ variable mean / do?
Using path from pathlib is the recommended way since Python 3. Note, if using Jupyter Notebook, _file_ doesn't return expected value, so path.absolute has to be used.
In Python 3.x I do. Explanation: path _file_ is the path to the current file. .parent gives you the directory the file is in. .absolute gives you the full absolute path to it. Using pathlib is the modern way to work with paths. If you need it as a string later for some reason, just do strpath. Try this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.